Hey everyone, welcome back to Engineering Work. Today, we're diving into the dazzling world of casinos to unveil the mechanics behind a classic favorite, the slot machine. At first glance, a slot machine may seem like pure luck, but in reality, it's a carefully engineered marvel of technology. Beyond the bright lights and catchy sounds lies a complex mix of technology and probability that determines each spin. Let's pull back the curtain and see how these machines tick. First, we have the reels, the heart of the slot machine. Traditionally, these were physical spinning drums, but now, they're usually digital representations on a screen. Each reel is adorned with various symbols, such as fruits, numbers, or themed icons. Then, RNG. Random Number Generator. This is the brain of the operation. It's a computer program constantly churning out random numbers, even when the machine isn't being played. These numbers determine everything. Now the payout table. This invisible chart holds the key to winning. It maps symbol combinations to potential payouts. Match the RNG numbers to a winning combo on this table, and you hear the sweet sound of victory.
I know, that's a bit rich.
Now, let's see how a single spin unfolds. As you perform the action of pulling lever or pushing the button, the RNG kicks in, generating a brand new set of random numbers. Those numbers are then linked to specific symbols on the virtual reels. The animation makes it look like the reels are spinning, but it's all a dazzling trick. The computer checks the mapped symbols against the payout table. Did you hit a winning combo? That winning sound or the familiar thud of a loss, it's all a result of this fascinating mix of randomness and programming. Slot machines are designed to be fun and unpredictable, but remember, the odds are always in favor of the casino. Statistically, the house edge on slot machines can range anywhere from 2% to 15%. This means for every $100 you wager, you can expect to lose an average of $2 to $15 in the long run. If you ever try your luck, set a budget and play responsibly. So, next time you see those flashing lights, you'll know the secret technology behind the slot machine magic. For more tech breakdowns that reveal the hidden workings of the world around you, leave a comment and subscribe.